Okay guys, this is it's all about the ride. Okay, what I'm going to do guys is a chain cleaning review. Basically I'm using a new product because basically it come from a recommendation of FortNine in Canada, the Canadian guy. He does a lot of reviews, and not only just reviews, he does actually gets chains and uses lots of different products and tests them, and I think he's got some degree in something anyway, something to do with engineering or some science type degree, so he's quite thorough when he does these reviews. Now I took up on one of his reviews actually on chain cleaning. Now I know that a lot of us have used in the past have used kerosene and things like that to clean their chains. Now personally, I mean, with new O-ring and X-ring chains, my last road bike chain, I actually got 46,000 kilometres, so around about 20,000 miles on the original chain and sprockets, because I used to clean my chain every 500 kilometres or around 300 miles. I would clean it with kerosene, then wipe it off, then clean it again, and then lubricate it, and it lasted for 46,000 k's, so, or 20 odd thousand miles. Now I don't know how many of us actually keep bikes for that long. There's some that do and some that don't, but anyway, I'm trying this new product out. Okay, it's iPhone. Okay, it's a French made product, chain cleaner, and he said that this chain cleaner was really good. It didn't actually remove grease from the O or the X rings in your chain, and it does a really good job cleaning. It actually said that WD-40 wasn't too bad at actually cleaning either, as a cleaner, not a lubricator, but more of a chain cleaner. So yeah, I tried it. I rate it. So generally what I do is after about 500 kilometers, 300 miles, I scrub my chain, or spray it on, and then I scrub it off with the good old chain brush. Then I spray again, and then wipe it off, and then lube my chain. And I can testify that this iPhone cleaner is actually really good. It's actually a really good cleaner. I rate it, I recommend it. But then again, like I said, you know, other products, you never use degreaser. That's one thing I'll tell you. Never ever use degreaser on your chain, because that takes the grease out of your O and X rings. Okay, so never ever clean the chain with degreaser, if I can stress that. Well, I can't stress that too strongly. So yep, that's what I do. I recommend this. It's in Australia, I get it through Third Gear. I'm not sure whether you'd get it from, it's made in France, so I imagine it's quite easy to get hold of in Europe and places like that, and America and the UK. Okay guys, thanks for listening. I'm going to do a review again, another review on chain lubricants. Okay, until next review, it's all about the ride.